Hi children, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Yes, in the previous class, what is our lesson? What was our lesson? Our lesson number 3, using and making maps. Yes children, using maps. We look at a place from above to make a map. Maps also help us to locate our position. We point out landmarks on a map. A landmark is a building or object that is easy to locate from a distance. It helps people to know where they are. We can decide which way to go using the landmarks. Yes, by using the landmarks, now we are going to see the map of what children? Of from my house to my school. Yes, my house is here. Yes children. Yeah. And school is here. My school. Yes, that is Nirbhaya. Yes. I have to go to my school. Yes. And now I'll start from my house. Yes, from my house. Just I will go straight and I should turn right. Yes, and I should turn left. And what is the landmark here? Here one medical shop is there. The medical shop. Okay. And Kishore medical shop it is. The landmark. Yes, I should go left. Again I should go straight from here and to the right. And a straight road. Here one landmark is there. What is that? Here one school is there. From there I should turn right. That is Little Star School. Yes? Yes children. And I should go straight. And from here I should turn right. And I should go straight. Here one landmark. What is that landmark here? One tree. A big tree. Yes? And I should go here. One circle, the 4 ways the roads will come. It is called the ring road. Yes, from here I should go straight. Then I can see my school name and then how I will go? I will go by my bike. Yes. What are these? These are the landmarks. Yes, children. Okay. Yes, children. I showed the route map. Means how I will go to my school. Yes, I showed my map. Now, in your rough book, you have to show your route map from your house to school. From your house to school. Again from school to house. 2 I want. Yes? Okay, children? Some maps show a large area. This means that only a few important things are marked on them. Yes, children? Yes. Example children, the map of India. We cannot see our house or school on a map. Can you see on India map? No. Some maps show us every small thing in a place. Example, a map of our neighborhood would show every building and shop. Yes, these maps need correct measurements. It needs a measurements. Measurements help us to mark the correct positions of the things on a map. Yes, children? Okay? The distance from the bookshop to the park is 1 kilometer on the map. It can be shown as 1 centimeter. For 1 kilometer, you can show as 1 centimeter to draw on the map. Yes, children? The distance from my house to Nirbhaya school is 10 kilometers. On a map, it can be shown as 10 centimeters. This is called the scale of the map. This is called the scale of the map. Okay, children? Children, in the olden days, have you saw any film that they have one map? They will go to into the forest. They will have a maps and they will put on this thing and they will be seeing we should go this way or this way. And have you seen that scenes in the cinemas? Yes. Nowadays, no need to take a map and this thing. Now we can use a maps on your mobile phones. Yes? Yes. We decide the area we want to see or use this maps. To see more details, we zoom in. Yes? To see a large area, we zoom out. Some maps also allow us to see what the road look like at different places. These maps do not show the top view. Yes, they show what a person sees if they stand on the road. Yes, children. And I want to go to city to see a city. Yes, I want to go by bus means no, I don't want to go by bus. I want to go by car. What should I do? Yes, I should book a car. Nowadays, have you seen the cabs? The cabs. Yes, yes, we have seen. Yeah, I booked a car and I sat there. It came to near my house. How it came near my house? Did I tell him anything? Nowadays it is the phone, the apps and all, it is going the technology is very fast. Yes, in the phone itself he is getting the area in which address we are, and by our phone number when we are booking the cab, there he knows the address. By the Google map he is going to come near our house. Yes, and we are going to sit in that and we are going to enjoy. We will go to city and we will enjoy, and it will show, the Google map will show for the driver to take the turn left, right. Have you heard some sounds? Yes, when we are sitting in the car it will tell to turn right, means to reach the point, the location. Yes, children, understood? Children, your homework is learn and write, page number 5, short answer question from workbook in homework. You have to write from the workbook in homework. Okay, children, write neatly. Yes, don't write the spelling mistakes. Complete your workbook, complete your classwork, and lesson reading also is very important. Yes, children? Children, take your textbook, page number 15. Understanding part, using maps. We look at a place from above to make a map. Maps show us the top view of a place. Maps also help us to locate our position. How do we do this? We point out landmarks on a map. A landmark is a building or object that is easy to locate from a distance. It helps people know where they are. We can decide which way to go using landmarks. Look at the map below. The bookshop can be a landmark. Rashi and Mihir are going to the park. In which direction should they turn from the bookshop? Okay? Page number 16. Some maps show a large area. This means that only a few important things are marked on them. Example, the map of India. We cannot see our house or school on a map of India. Okay? Some maps show us very small thing in a place. Example, a map of your neighborhood would show every building and shop. These maps need correct measurements. We need to measure the space between two places or objects. Measurements help to mark the correct positions of things on a map. Straight lines drawn on a map divide into too many equal parts. We can use these parts to find a place or object quickly. The map given below has been divided into equal parts. Can you name the parts? Some parts have been named for you. Study each part of the map carefully and answer the following questions. Yes, you have to read these questions and write the answers here, children. Okay? Application. Making maps easy to use. Imagine you have two maps, map A and map B. Map A is as big as your classroom. When it is opened, it covers the entire floor. Map B is as big as the page of this book. Map B will be easier to use. A map needs to be easy to use, yet the measurements need to be correct. How can this be done? Large measurements are changed to smaller ones. This makes a map smaller and easier to use. Example: the distance from the bookshop to the park is 1 kilometer on the map. It can be shown as 1 centimeter. The distance from the park to Mihir's school is 10 kilometers. On a map, it can be shown as 10 centimeters. This is called the scale of the map. Now, we can use maps on mobile phones. We decide the area we want to see using these maps. To see more details, we zoom in. To see a larger area, we zoom out. Some maps also allow us to see what the roads look like in different places. These maps do not show the top view. They show what a person sees if they stand on the road. Children, make a map of your house. Draw symbols to show all the furniture. Ask members of your family to show you the north, south, east and west in your house. Do it here, children, in this page number 18. Okay.